Good morning. This is Mike Johnson with the National Weather Service in San Angelo, Texas, with the morning weather briefing for Sunday, January 5th. Well, a cold front came across west central Texas overnight, and that's brought strong north winds and much cooler weather to most of the Lone Star State already this morning. This is an image that depicts the current air temperatures across the United States, and you can easily see the cold front extending from the Ohio Valley south and west across northwest Arkansas into eastern and central Texas, extending down toward the Del Rio area. If you look up across the northern plains, temperatures are below zero, as much as 25 degrees across the northern part of Minnesota into the Dakotas, and that's not including the wind chill. These are straight air temperatures. As you can see, the 20s and 30s have made it into much of northern Texas, and that's going to be what we're going to look at over the next couple of days. But when we add in the wind to these temperatures, then we see wind chill readings below zero across most of the central and northern plains. In fact, you get to the northern plains from North Dakota all the way across to near Duluth, Minnesota, and we're talking about wind chill readings around minus 40 degrees. So that's very dangerous cold weather. Farther south, we don't have near the impact that those folks are feeling up there, but an 18-degree wind chill in Abilene is still quite a bit below what we're used to at this latitude. Take a look at the forecast today. We're expecting temperatures to remain in the 30s in the wake of this cold front across most of the area. As we get farther south from Ozona over to Brady and San Saba, those areas may warm up just above 40 degrees, but everyone else should remain in the 30s. We'll see wind chills this morning generally below 20 degrees across most of the area, as those north winds remain up at about 15 to 25 miles per hour. But the winds will come down throughout the day as surface high pressure builds into the area. Tonight, we're looking at temperatures a good 20 to close to 25 degrees below normal. Normal for this time of year at both Abilene and San Angelo is 33 degrees, and we're calling for low temperatures to average between 10 and 15 across most of the area. And that's cold enough to be dangerous for pets and even humans for prolonged exposure to this cold air. But we've also, got a problem with a lot of pipes that are not made for this kind of weather. So be sure to, leave the water dripping to help keep those pipes from bursting. We mentioned wind chill earlier. Well, we're going to have some wind chill issues tonight. This is the graphic that indicates wind speeds in the green and wind chills that are forecast for around sunrise tomorrow morning. For Monday morning, we're looking at wind chills in the single digits across all of west central Texas. And as you get up close to Interstate 20 from Sweetwater to Abilene, we're talking wind chills anywhere from 0 to 5 degrees. It's gonna be pretty cold. So if you have to be out in the morning, be sure and bundle up, get the kids dressed warm for school as we head back after the Christmas break, and give your car a little bit of time to warm up in the morning. During the afternoon, we're going to see temperatures warm up a little bit, but we're still not going to reach 40 degrees, I don't think, anywhere in west central Texas. I think highs will generally be in the low to mid 30s, but we should see quite a bit of sun, and the winds will slack off quite a bit as the surface high builds right on top of us. Winds go light and variable. It should be a fairly nice day, considering temperatures in the 30s. It's not going to feel too bad out there. Again, you will need a coat throughout the day, but we're not talking temperatures like we're going to see farther north and east. As we look farther into the forecast, we see temperatures by Tuesday begin to moderate as we get south to southwest winds increasing to upwards of 20 miles per hour once again. We'll see highs return into the 50s by then. On Wednesday, we'll see temperatures jump further as temperatures warm ahead of a cold front. We should see 60s across most of the area by Wednesday. But then as we head into Thursday and Friday, we'll see clouds increase. May even see some rain showers begin Thursday night, Friday, and Friday night. Right now the chance is only 20%, but we want to throw that out there to give you a little bit of a heads up. We don't expect any winter precipitation with this system. It looks like temperatures should remain above freezing throughout the duration of the rain chances. So we're just looking at kind of a cool rain by the end of the week if this system evolves the way that we think it's going to. As for overnight lows, we're going to see those very cold low temperatures on Monday morning and Tuesday morning. But then as we get the winds return to the area as well as cloud cover, we'll see those low temperatures jump back up mainly into the 30s for the rest of the forecast period.